Welcome to Myers BizNet. We are stability agents, helping your organization navigate through the turbulent times caused by technological advances and disruption to your legacy business models. No industry is more impacted by new technology than media, and with it, marketing, advertising, communications, and research. Myers BizNet provides transformational tools, resources, and management support for media companies, agencies, marketers, content producers, researchers, and investors. We're a cooperative of more than 200 corporate members dedicated to sharing best practices, tracking industry trends and economic patterns, identifying disruptive technologies and emerging competitors, developing partnership opportunities, facilitating new relationships and connections, tracking your business-to-business customers' changing needs and perceptions, communicating your value and offerings, and recruiting the new wave of technologically savvy and diverse young people for your teams. I'm Jack Myers. I founded Myers BizNet 30 years ago, and I've worked with most media companies, agencies, and many Fortune 500 companies to help them grow their revenues and prepare for the future. I've written 4 visionary books about the future, and my most recent book, Hooked Up, was acclaimed by Sir Martin Sorrell as the best guide to the future that I've yet come across. Today, Myers BizNet is the leader in tracking media company and advertiser needs and perceptions as they respond to digital opportunities. Through industry-leading research initiatives, we provide specific guidance for building and improving your business relationships. In our weekly reports, we keep our members informed of emerging technologies and companies that could change their competitive landscape. We're the media industry's leading economic forecaster, and we also publish Media Biz Bloggers, the industry's leading thought leadership blog platform. Myers BizNet identifies creative partnership opportunities among our member companies and facilitate new relationships. We bring together your teams with their colleagues across the industry for shared knowledge and social engagement through Women in Media Mentoring Initiative, Media Legends, and Media Village. We're attracting young, multicultural leaders of the future to our industry and to your organization, working with them to assure they feel welcome, supported, and valued. Learn more about our resources and member benefits at myersbiznet.com, mediavillage.com, and wimi.net. Join our community and let us help you and your business thrive and grow. Contact me at jm@jackmyers.com.